You know, it's funny how we often think of fitness as this grand, complicated journey filled with expensive gym memberships and fancy equipment. But the truth is, sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest ones, right in the comfort of our own homes. Lower belly fat can be such a stubborn area for many women, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed by all the information out there. But let's break it down into 15 simple exercises that can help you tackle that issue without needing to step foot in a gym. First off, let's talk about planks. They're a classic for a reason. Just holding your body in that straight line engages your core like nothing else. Start with 30 seconds and work your way up. Then there are leg raises. Lying on your back, lifting your legs up and down really targets that lower belly. It's challenging, but oh so effective. Next, we have bicycle crunches. Picture this. You're lying on your back, pedaling in the air, and feeling that burn. It's a great way to work your abs while also getting your heart rate up. And don't forget about mountain climbers. They're not just for the adventurous, they're a fantastic cardio workout that also engages your core. Now, let's not overlook the power of bridges. Lying on your back, lifting your hips, and squeezing your glutes not only helps with lower belly fat, but also strengthens your entire posterior chain. And speaking of glutes, squats are a must. They're not just for your legs. They engage your core and help with overall fat loss. Then there are Russian twists. Sitting on the floor, leaning back slightly, and twisting side to side works your obliques and helps trim that waistline. And let's not forget about the good old-fashioned crunch. It's simple, but when done correctly, it can be very effective. You can also try flutter kicks. Lying on your back, alternating kicks with your legs keeps your lower abs engaged. And if you want to spice things up, add some side leg raises. They target the obliques and help with that stubborn side fat. Don't underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned jump rope. It's not just for kids. It's a fantastic cardio workout that can help burn calories and reduce fat. And let's wrap it up with some yoga. Poses like the boat pose and downward dog not only help with flexibility, but also engage your core in a way that feels good. So, there you have it. 15 simple exercises that can fit into your daily routine. No fancy equipment, no complicated moves. Just you, your determination, and a little bit of space at home. It's all about consistency and finding what works for you.